Today I am going to introduce with the very first chapter of class 12, which is solutions. What are solutions? Solutions are the homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Here, what are components? The component may be solute, which is in a small quantity, and the other component is solvent, which is in large quantity. When we add both of these components, what we get is called a solution. For example, if we take sugar, which is in small quantity and hence it is a solute, and we add it to the water, which is in large quantity and hence it is a solvent, then what we get is called a solution. Here, if we take two components, then this type of solution are called binary solutions, which have two components, solute and solvent. If we take solvent and add two solute to it, one is sugar and other is salt, and we add both of these to the solvent, then this type of solution is called ternary solution because it has three components. Now we understand what are quaternary solutions. The solutions which contain four components are called quaternary solutions. Luckily, we just have to read out binary solution. In our syllabus, we just have to read out binary solutions. Solutes, types of solutes and solvent. Solute are always not solid. They may be solid as well as liquid as well as gas. Similarly, solvents are not always liquid. It may be solid, it may be liquid, it may be gas. Depending on the physical state of solute and solvent which we are adding, the solution may be written differently. For example, if we dissolve a solid solute in a liquid solvent, that is water, we will write it as a solid in liquid solution. Similarly, if we dissolve a gas in a gaseous solute, maybe oxygen, in a liquid solvent, maybe water, then it will be written as gas in liquid solution. Third one is, if we dissolve a liquid solute, for example water, in a liquid solvent, for example milk, we will write it as a liquid in liquid solution. All of these three solutions are known as liquid solutions because the solvent phase is a liquid phase. Now, can you tell me, if we dissolve a solid solute in a gaseous solvent, then how would you write it and what type of solution is it? The answer is, we will write it as a gas in liquid solution, and we will write it as a solid in gas solution, and it is a gaseous